Hey, welcome to the kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make smashed potatoes. That's right, smashed potatoes, not mashed potatoes, and we're going to use Yukon yellow gold potatoes. We're on the final step, which is actually taking the potatoes out of the oven. I know that this process takes a long time. By the time you boil potatoes and then put them on a skillet and smash them and butter, salt them, pepper them, and then put them in the oven, you're looking at about 2 hours. But I promise you, it is well worth it for these smashed potatoes. By the time they come out of the oven, they're nice and crispy, golden brown, and the inner potato is just moist and smooth and creamy and buttery. Really, really tasty. So let's get ready to take it out.